Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Today I got a 2012 Harley Davidson Softail Deluxe I want to show you. Nice two-tone paint. White and midnight pearl. I don't know if you can see the flake in that paint or not. It really looks pretty nice. Looks black until you get it out in the sun, then you can see the different flake in it. It's got a 103 motor and a 6-speed. Rider floorboards. Nice big comfortable saddle. The Deluxe comes with this grab bar. It's kind of an old school nostalgic look. This one's got the hard molded bags. Detachable backrest. Luggage rack is actually hard mounted on there with the passenger pad. That would all come off, make a real nice solo bike if you want to make a solo bike out of it. I'm not sure if this is the factory bars on this bike or not. They got a little bit of a wider feel to them. Detachable windshield looks nice and clear. It's only got 6,125 miles on it. Pops right off. Been through our shop, checked out, service, safety checked and inspected. She's ready to ride. It's cold out here today, so what you see coming out is steam. That's not smoke. Engine's nice and quiet. Factory exhaust. Take almost anything in on trade. If you'd like to know more about this bike, you can call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. Wire spoke rim, white wall tires, good tire up front. Don't see anything here on the paint that I need to point out to you. It all looks good. Fender looks nice. This bike's been really well kept. You can see our complete inventory online at cleanharleys.com. This bike qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranties. We sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.